Make $35 in 6 minutes again and again. So this is a make money online video. That's what I'm going to share with you in this video. So make sure you watch it all the way to the end. All right. So don't try to skip ahead. I'm going to show you a brand new method, a brand new website that you can go out and you can crush it. So I'm going to show you where a lot of people always head and they get a lot of competition. And I'm going to show you what's the least competition and how you can get before everybody else, so that way you can make money over and over again. So let's jump into the video right now. So if it's your first time here to my YouTube channel, welcome. My name is Andre, and I create videos on how to make money online affiliate marketing. So if you look, you'll see a ton of videos that I've created on a day-to-day basis or every other day, right? So every time I create a brand new video, you're gonna be the first one to know. So we're gonna jump into it right away. And this is the method that I'm gonna share with you. So how it works, you're gonna be able to post a project, find and hire, pay safely, and get it done. This is if people want to use this particular service. So this is more of a freelance gig, and they're backed by huge companies such as PayPal, Microsoft, Google. There's Facebook, there's Discard, and there's a number of different categories on here to choose from. Now, the reason why I want to share with you, because I know there's a lot of people out there that would love to make some money online, but they don't know where to go. They don't know where to turn. So I hope at the end of this video, you can apply these methods and you can get started right away. So as I said, $35 again and again in 6 minutes of work. So right here, as you can see, there's programming and tech, there's graphics, there's digital, um, digital marketing. Sorry, there's video automation, there's business, there's music, audio, so many different things to choose from. Now, what most people always do is, for some reason, they always find gigs and everybody goes to Fiverr. We all know what Fiverr is, right? So if you go on Fiverr and you type in, let's say, music video, for example, you type in music video, you will see that there is so much money to be made because people are creating videos for other people. They just get the raw clip, they just put it together, and then they can make money over and over again, right? So what's going to happen is we're not going to be doing music videos, but a fact of the matter is we're going to find something that is easy and what people are already searching for, because people consistently looking for this type of service, but they have no idea where to go. So what we're going to get into is a website, and you can go to it, you can write it down. It's called Logo Maker. So Logo Maker is a website that design logo. So you can create your own design, you can work as a designer, and you can get paid from this particular website. But that's not what we're doing, right? What we're doing is we're going to create designs. So we're going to create designs. We're not going to work for them, but we want to create our own logo. So you can design a logo just by clicking on here, right? And you can put whatever that you want. For example, what if somebody wants to get a business consulting? So let's say this person is James Washington, right? James Washington. And we can put right here, it's asking for a company tagline. We are the best in the business, right? So seems like we can't put any more. So we can put best in the business right there. And then you can put logo type, which is optional. You can click on where it says make a logo, and then it will just automatically pop up and you could choose different logos. So you can click where it says create unique, create whichever one you want to use. This one looks more like a consultant. Click on here. You can choose whatever font that you want. You can click on this font, click on next. And once you do that, it's going to auto-populate a ton of different logos. So you don't have to be good at designing. All you have to do is plug in the names and everything, and you could choose from whatever design. So you could save this logo You can edit it if you want to. You could do the same thing here, and you can download it. So you can click on where you're looking for a badge, right? Initial, it could be text. Right over here, there's that you can also customize it as well. And if we go on page 3, you'll see other designs. So this right here, you can use so much to choose from. Once you choose from it, right? Let's say you want to pick on this one. There's a third one. It's just going to show you what it looks like, right? In like different platform, you can select which one you want. Let's say select layout. Once you select the layout, you can change the colors if you want to. All right, let's say you want to change the color here. You want to change the J, right, to whatever different color. And you can click on preview. It will show you the preview. Okay, continue editing, and you could save, click on save logo. So whichever one, select design. Let's say you want to use that one as a card. Right, it's going to auto populate for a little bit. Okay, so these are the things that you can add a free domain. People want to use a free domain, they can if they want to. All right, you get one free domain, and then additional years, it's going to be like $14.95. Okay, so there's lots of logo makers out there that you can use. If you don't want to use this one, you can always, again, you can do what most people are doing now, which is called like a drop service, right? It's like arbitrage. So what I would do, I would find a very, very inexpensive logo designer for like $5 or $10. Let's say this one for $10, right? $10, I'll click on it, see what he has to offer. Okay, $10 right there, right? I'll contact this person. Just go down here where it says contact me. You can click on it, contact the person, and you can let them know, hey, listen, this is what I'm doing. This is what I'm looking for. This person is in the US, which is pretty cool. He's doing like $10 an hour. And after you get the gigs, you want to come on here, and this is the website that I'm talking about. It's called quickengigs. So quickengigs, you could sign up. This is they've been around since 2015. Since 2015, they're just starting out. So if you look at Fiverr, Fiverr is getting huge. There's so much competition on here. Like, why you want to struggle on Fiverr? Like, list your stuff on here. So if I go here where it says graphic designs, let's see if I can find logo. All right, logo animation. There's logo animation. I'm sure there's going to be there's photo editing, game, web designing. So you can let's type in logo design. All right, nice. Click on logo designs right here, and you can search for it, and you can see how many people are on here, right? Look, there's people already crushing it, $15. And these are not, there's no stars on here yet, because this is slowly going out there. So can you imagine if, you're like the first one on here, and let's say you do like, the first one on here, and you do like logo animation, right? Let's say if you want to do logo animation, like this person, it's like $40 that he's doing a design for. He's the only one. So if I click on short video ads, there's 2 people, $50, $200. Let's go on book trailers. Nobody. Let's go on animation streamers. Nobody. Intro, outro videos, 2 people, right? Short, short videos, 50, $100. So the competition on here is not so much like on Fiverr, because there's a lot of people on Fiverr. So list your stuff on here, right? Maybe it doesn't pick up like right away, but it's going to eventually start getting going, because people are going to be finding out about this particular website. So make sure you sign up for it, list your services on here, and that's how you're going to be making money. So just make money with a little bit of work. It's not going to take you much time to really put that together. And then once you do that, hey, you're all in the bag. So make sure, again, like, subscribe, become a part of the family. Let me know where you're watching this from. That's how you can, make $35 again and again, 4 minutes of work. And that's a make money online video. So thanks for watching. The name is Andre. Check out the first link in the description if you're looking for a way to make more money online, or you can spend some more time with your family. I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.